friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs in the Instant Pot. So what we need is chicken thighs, 1 cup of water for pressure cooking, and seasonings. I'm using salt, garlic powder, paprika, and black pepper, and you can use any seasonings you'd like for the chicken. So I'm going to open Instant Pot and add 1 cup of water to the Instant Pot. And now I'm going to season the chicken. So use more seasonings than you normally do, because when you pressure cook an Instant Pot, it just seasonings seem to somehow not taste as strong. Some of it ends up in the water, so just sprinkle with a lot of seasonings. And you can rub the seasonings in, and now turn the chicken over and season the other side as well. So now once you season the chicken, let's put it in the Instant Pot. And you can put it either directly in the water, or you can use a trivet if you like. I just like to put it in the water, just makes it easier so I don't have to wash the trivet. Just keep it simple. So now let's close the lid of the Instant Pot. Turn the valve to a sealing position. Press the pressure cook button, and I will set the time to 25 minutes on high pressure. Now the Instant Pot is done cooking, so let's quick release the steam. Now the steam has been released and the pin has dropped, so let's open the lid of the Instant Pot. And here, perfectly cooked bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. Look at these chicken thighs. They look amazing. And it's so easy to cook them in the Instant Pot. They're perfectly cooked. So let me take them out of the Instant Pot. Perfect. And now let's try them. So see, they're perfectly cooked inside. Meat is super tender. Now let's try. So delicious. This meat is so tender, so moist, you will love it. Super easy to make in an Instant Pot. Just put them in an Instant Pot and it just cooks it, and you don't have to watch the pot. It does all the work for you. For a free printable recipe and other easy Instant Pot recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my cooking channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!